Today we are in Sitka, Alaska at the Alaska Raptor Center. We came to Sitka on a cruise, and when we got to town we found out about this place and came out to check into it. The Alaska Raptor Center provides medical treatment to approximately 200 injured birds each year. They say they strive to heal, rehabilitate, and release all the birds they help. So bald eagle, a little bit bigger than the golden eagle, and then the osprey. Now I think that's one kind of cute bird right there. How big is your arm span? Mine isn't quite 6 feet, looks like. So they explain this is a sculpture of kind of a dating ritual, romance type ritual. The female is larger than the male, but she attaches herself to the male to see if he's strong enough to carry her through the sky. And if she likes him, that's great. They take off together and build a nest. If not, she may not let go and flip him around and use him for a cushion when they land, and kind of be a harsh parting. Sometimes the birds are just too severely injured to fully recover and survive in the wild, so they keep them here, and sometimes it's just that the birds are just too old to survive well. When that happens, they keep them here outside for educational purposes and to keep them safe. Hey buddy, how you doing?